a U.S. immigration judge ruled that Mahmoud Khalil, a Columbia University graduate student, can be deported due to perceived national security risks. The judge deemed the government's argument that Khalil's presence poses potentially serious foreign policy consequences sufficient grounds for deportation. Khalil's lawyers are planning an appeal. Meanwhile, a separate federal judge in New Jersey has temporarily halted Khalil's removal. He was detained by immigration agents in March, part of a wider crackdown on student activists protesting the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The detention happened shortly after he was flown thousands of miles away from his legal team and wife, who is due to give birth soon. His lawyers argue that the administration is suppressing constitutionally protected free speech. The U.S. Department of State, under Secretary of State Marco Rubio, used a rarely employed statute to justify Khalil's deportation, citing his role in student protests and potentially negative foreign policy implications. Khalil's legal team countered that the government's case was unfounded and lacked evidence of actual foreign policy harm. The judge, after pushing for more evidence of the potential national security risks, indicated a willingness to dismiss the case if the government could not provide supporting material. The Department of Justice subsequently argued that the judge lacks authority to immediately release Khalil, explaining the legal process for deportation and subsequent bail hearings. Khalil is not accused of any criminal activity, but the government contends that his participation in anti-Israel protests aligns with views deemed anti-Semitic and pro-Hamas, linked to the militant group's recent attacks. He's been targeted for his activism, particularly his presence at demonstrations and interactions with reporters. The White House has accused him of siding with terrorist groups, but has not offered concrete evidence. His case illustrates a broader pattern of targeting critics of Israel's policies on college campuses. Other activists, researchers, and professors have faced similar consequences, including visa cancellations and deportations. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.